Motorcycles dealers in Vietnam are selling some motorcycles like the Yamaha Exciter 155 VVA, or commonly called as Sniper 155 VVA, in modified or upgraded version. The upgraded Sniper 155 has been installed with different accessories and different decal designs. The accessories parts installed includes Racing Boy brake and clutch levers, titanium grills, new designs mags wheels, new decal designs, gas monoshock rear suspensions, auxiliary lights, and many more. The only modified on the Sniper 155 is the outside parts. The engine of the bike is still in stock factory configuration. The bike still flaunts a powerful 155 cubic centimeters engine that is a very powerful performer and can clock up to 17.7 horsepower. The vehicle adorns a very stylish and sporty look accompanied by a sleek tail section. There are many highlights of this classy vehicle that are noticeable. The technical specifications of the vehicle are of top-notch quality. This Yamaha Sniper 155 or Exciter 155 upgraded version are available only in Vietnam. Honda Winner X150 in Vietnam has been sold also in modified or upgraded version by motorcycle dealers in Vietnam. The accessories installed on the bike includes RCB brake and clutch levers, modified handle grip, titanium grills, top fairing cover, monoshock gas rear suspension. The bike is also sold in different colors and decal designs. On the other hand, the Honda Winner X150 engine is still in factory stock configuration. The Honda Winner X150 is powered by a liquid-cooled 149.1 cubic centimeters DOHC PMGFI single-cylinder engine. Mated to a 6-speed gearbox, and it has maximum of 15.42 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and a peak torque of 13.5 Nm at 6,500 RPM. This bewitching ride is the perfect deal for all those ardent riders who are in pursuit of a bike that delivers seamless performance and has a flawless appearance. This upgraded version has successfully maintained the balance between performance and looks. These bikes are highly recommended for riders that are concerned with appearance of their bike. If you love motorcycle information videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be updated on our next video uploads. Thank you for watching.